Hello everyone. Welcome back to KHComputers, your trusted channel for laptop repair and smart tech solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Dell laptop fan malfunction error without removing the fan from the system. You'll see how I repaired the jammed fan using a simple method with just a syringe, some oil, and thinner. This trick is easy, fast, and works perfectly when your fan is stuck or noisy. So, let's get started. When I powered on this laptop, it showed an error message. Fan malfunction. Press F1 to continue. This clearly means the cooling fan is not working properly. It's jammed and unable to spin. A faulty fan can lead to overheating, performance loss, and even permanent damage to the motherboard if not repaired in time. Instead of removing the entire fan assembly, I decided to try a simple and effective method. First, I took a syringe and filled it with a small amount of oil mixed with thinner. The thinner helps to dissolve old grease and dirt, while the oil makes the fan bearings move smoothly. Then, I carefully injected a few drops into the fan's inner bearing area. I gently started rotating the fan blades by hand, slowly and carefully. At first, it felt tight and stuck, but after a few turns, it started spinning more freely. After a few minutes, the fan was moving smoothly again, just like new. I left it to dry for some time so that the thinner could fully evaporate. Finally, I powered on the laptop again. And this time, there was no fan malfunction error on the screen. The fan was running quietly and perfectly. This simple trick can save you time, effort, and even prevent costly repairs. Always remember to keep your laptop's cooling system clean for better performance and longer life. Thanks for watching. You're watching KHComputers, where every tech problem gets a simple solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful repair videos.